What's on the box? Lock mechanism, so you really don't need a knife. Bluetooth, which is improvement from the previous version. I love it. Wi-Fi and voice control. Feels very nice in the hand. Whew. Manual. Product information. Important product information. Sonos ERA setup. And a cable. Wow. Those could be 4 microphones and 1 indicator. That's for the voice control. You swipe for the plus and minus. Okay, that's the minus, that's the plus. Next track, pause and play. Any additional? Okay, we have USB Type-C, Bluetooth pairing, and switch for the microphone. Don't be surprised because this is not a directional speaker. Most of the speakers are on the back. And with the big volume, you will even feel the air bouncing from the speaker. Wow. It's very powerful. On the front, there's only a 1 tweeter, like you can see there. You go. See? A tiny tweeter, which you can hear barely with the regular audio, and a lot louder with the 3D audio, which is available on Spotify. I wish I could show you the 3D audio experience, but it's almost impossible through YouTube microphone and your audio device, which is receiving the signal, and also the copyright on YouTube. So in this video, we will fire a no copyright audio, and in another video, we will do something with the copyright with the better microphones. So let's just leave at least 1 video without the copyright strike, please. At the beginning, you will scan your environment for the audio, begin tuning. Nice. You can find similar... Whoa. You can find similar features in high-end AV receivers.
Wicked is the price. Words are running high. You can come inside. You're screaming at night. We're lost in the haze. Baby, tell me, are you in today? You're saying my name, got me inside. I'm running like a bullet to the brain. Welcome to the
In the app we have an equalizer, true play, high audio, volume limit, immersive 3D music when available, line, all kinds of different options. You can connect to your soundbar and stuff like that. Well, plenty of it. You can pair it correctly to a PC, but you will have a delay in the audio. Really good. I've seen worse in the flagships. A little bit delay. Because this is not how you connect this device. You will need to connect to a Sonos soundbar, not directly to your Bluetooth PC. Is this the most powerful speaker from Sonos? No, the most powerful is number 5, premium speaker. This one is more for immerse, definitely for immerse. And if you have 2 of them, woo, wow, that will be an immerse experience. But bear in mind, it all depends on the studio. I have 3 studios, and in 3 different studios, this speaker sounds quite different. So it all depends, like I said, on your room. Different, but still great. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.